Whosoever brings this child forth into the hooligan tribe, let he be known. As a representative of the chief, I welcome this baby into the hooligan tribe and pronounce the name to be... Yeah, Hildegard. Doesn't seem like a Hildegard to me. Let's go with Magnus.
But she's a girl, Gobber.
Don't worry, she's not gonna look like one. Magnus it is. And please accept this teething toy on behalf of Stoic the Vast.
And named the baby girl Magnus. Now, I'm not saying she didn't look like a Magnus, but try telling that to her parents.